Hello everyone. Today I'm replacing the closer on a premium Larson storm door. Apparently they have a problem with that pump failing. We replaced that pump and the instructions on how to replace it. Now on this door, I already removed the pump a few months back. Package. Pump out. New pump reinstalling the arm. Now I gotta pull the arm out. Look at this bracket here. I'll be done. Tat. You just turn it a hair. Otherwise, it doesn't work right. Turn it like a quarter or so, slam. Well, that's how you replace the pump on a Platinum Larson storm door. There you go, perfect. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this video helped you out.